The entrance of this place. Pretty spectacular to pull up to this. So we're going to see a really awesome unit today. I'll show it to you guys. It's a 2-bedroom lock-off. This place is really special. It's got a gym, it's got spa, and it even has a cenote. And when you walk in, it looks unbelievable. This bridge is really cool. Alright guys, we're here in Tulum touring an amazing condo. This one is for sale. It's a 2-bedroom with a lock-off. And wait till I show you the amenities, but let's start over here with the unit itself. So when you walk in to the unit, you've got a pretty nice island here with lots of storage. You have your microwave, your stove, and your oven. You got a nice fridge here, which I think it has one of these open panels, which is kind of cool. So it's like a utility room with hot water tank, and you have a little sink there. The dining room itself, it's quite large. Good amount of space there. You have cabinets here. Nice huge mirror makes the place look bigger. And inside the first bedroom, it's got a huge king-size bed, your private patio space here, which we'll get to in a second. You have your own primary ensuite here. Lots of storage, nice finishes. These really cool stone bandies. Plenty of storage back there. Moving on to the living room. This is where TV would go. This unit comes furnished, and on the second bedroom you have another king-size bed. Huge closet organizer here. It's actually massive, the entire wall. And it also has its own, so this would be the lock-off. I see your door here. This is to the bathroom, but you have a door on the hallway there, so you can have it as a rental or a lock-off. You have similar style bathroom setup. All here, ready to go. And now the patios do connect, so they're not separated, but the view out here is pretty nice. We'll go see all the amenities and the rest of the condo later. But if you check out this gigantic patio, it is absolutely massive. Very tranquil, very private. The water you can hear at the back is actually a cenote, which is on the property, which is really cool. So this unit has giant glass sliding doors for every single room, the 2 bedrooms and the living room, and you can just open everything up. I'll tell you guys the price later and you might be shocked. Let's go check out the amenities. Here are the amenities. The main lobby area is over there, pool table. So what's really cool is this has a cenote that you can actually swim in. And there's fish in there. Let's check the co-working space up here. Not talking too much here, but it's like a little TV room. This will be a shared office, co-working space, and there's air conditioning. Look at this view, it's pretty wild.
Try to get people that are working out in the gym,
Okay. Let's check out the gym. Check out this view from up here. We're on the top floor. This is the main rooftop area overlooking the entire complex. Look at that. What a view.
Oh, there's more.
Let's check upstairs. One more level for another better view. Lev, oh, it's crazy up here. That's wild.
All that's protected. The Jaguar Park, and there's the ocean over there.
Wow.
So they'll never have any construction beyond this line right here.
That's Jaguar Park right there?
That whole thing.
So this place has amazing walking trails. It's very much focused on nature. And then we're gonna head down to Cenote, which is pretty nuts. It's in the community that you could possibly live in. Careful down these steps. Wow. This is pretty wild. There's a bar, TV, you could host some people here. These really cool swing chairs.